Excel, 7 tips to be more efficient. 1. Insert multiple rows or columns. If you want to add 3 columns to the left of column B, you should do, select column B, and 2 more columns to the right, that's 3 in total. Right-click on any of the selected column, and do Insert. It will insert 3 new columns. 2. Add today's date. You can either type it manually, or use a very handy shortcut. Just type Ctrl+ or Ctrl+ smile, and the current date will be displayed in the active cell. 3. Write in multiple cells. Select all the cells you want to write in. Type whatever you want to, a number, a text, a formula, etc., then do Ctrl+ Enter instead of just Enter. That will copy the content you just typed to all selected cells. 4. Move rows or columns. I have to move rows and columns around. Select the column you want to move. Put the mouse cursor on the edge of the column,